Please welcome entrepreneur, investor, founder, CEO, best-selling author, keynote speaker, and the host of Business Builders podcast, Pavlo Phitidis.
How do you leave anything unless you know your destination? Established business owners that are beyond startup, but before big corporate listed entities, I believe are the most important people in our future prosperity. They are the people who risk everything they have to create something from nothing, do it differently, and then increasingly have to find the resolve and the care to sustain and grow what they have. Without them, our future prosperity comes into question. I speak to that audience, and I speak to them drawing from the coalface of working with them day in and day out. Let me work with you to activate that audience, bring it to life, and get your brand or your client well ensconced within that community. It is growing, it is significant, it is economically powerful, and it will get you the right return on investment. Because valuation is the strongest indicator of a business's overall health. So an actionable growth plan is something that goes beyond just a target and a destination. It's an action plan that you can use to ensure your team know what to do, when to do, and how to do it.
I think he is an inspiration. I've read his books, and this is the first time I've actually seen him in person, and it was well worth it.
Pavlo was fantastic. He was articulate, very knowledgeable. You can see he's done what he speaks.